Mainland China's TikTok, known as Douyin, isn't just different from the international version in terms of content, it also has regional restrictions for download and installation. If you're outside mainland China and want to explore and learn from the content on Douyin, don't miss this tutorial video. We're bringing you 5 secret methods to quickly and safely download Douyin from anywhere in the world. Short video platforms have grown rapidly, and TikTok has become the go-to platform for most people globally to follow the latest trends. However, due to regional restrictions, even though they belong to the same company, Douyin in mainland China operates completely independently from the international TikTok. The main differences lie in the content and features. In terms of content, Douyin is particularly suitable for users interested in Chinese culture, including popular challenges, local news, and cultural events. Feature-wise, some functions on Douyin are more convenient. For example, you can click on a purchase link and go directly to the store to place an order without necessarily having to search around. Plus, some popular music and special effects are only available on Douyin for content creation. Enough talk, let's see how to download Douyin right now. The first method is to directly change your device's region settings. If you're an iOS user, go to Settings, tap on your name, select Media and Purchases, tap the third option View Account, enter your Apple ID, then choose Country, Region, and change the region to mainland China. Alternatively, you can directly tap the top right corner in the App Store, then tap on your ID to enter. Here, you'll need to fill in an address and contact information. You can search online for relevant information in China to fill in. If you can't proceed to the next page, try scrolling up and changing the payment method to none. After completing, restart the App Store, search for Douyin and download it. If the above method doesn't work or if there's no none option in the payment methods, we can try canceling all current subscriptions first. After canceling, then tap Renew to proceed. The second method is to use a VPN to change your region. Because you're outside mainland China and can't directly access Douyin's download page, we can use a VPN to switch our connection to a server located in mainland China. This method not only protects your personal IP address, but also helps you bypass regional restrictions to browse different websites from various countries and even install applications. Based on tests, we found that Nordvpn, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN are relatively secure and stable VPN software. They generally support multiple devices simultaneously, have extensive global coverage, and offer good value for money. The third method is to download Douyin through its official website. Android users can visit the official Douyin website, click the Download Now button on the interface to get the app installation file. This way, you can successfully install Douyin. However, please note that this method only applies to Android users. The fourth method is to download it through third-party application stores. Third-party app stores are alternatives to iOS's App Store and Android's Google Play. Here are a few common third-party software stores: AppPort, CoolApp, Snapia, AltStore, TuTuApp, and i4Tools. Taking AppPort as an example, we can directly go to the store's official website, search for Douyin to find the corresponding software and download its APK file. However, it's important to note that using third-party programs may pose security risks, so be sure to assess the potential risks before downloading. The fifth method is to use location spoofing software to change your IP address. This method allows you to freely change your device's IP address, thereby breaking through the regional restrictions of various apps. Let's try locachange for free here. Click the link below to download and install it for free, then follow the instructions to connect your device. Currently, our location is set to the United States. Next, we just need to either click on the map or search for the location we want to change to. For example, I'll type Paris, select the corresponding mode, and then change the phone's location with one click. Look, in less than 3 seconds, our device's location has changed. When you open Douyin, your displayed IP location will have changed too. For a complete guide on locations for various devices, check out in the top right corner. Here, let's also briefly explain how to register for a mainland Douyin account. After successfully downloading, although you can browse short videos without logging in, if you want to enjoy personalized services like following users, commenting, liking, and sharing, you need to log into an account. First, we click on Register. The easiest way is to enter a mainland Chinese mobile number and receive a verification code. You can also try using a virtual number service to skip the real name verification. If you don't have a mainland Chinese mobile number, click +86 to change the country, then enter your mobile number to receive the verification code. If it isn't feasible, you can also try logging in with a third-party account, such as WeChat or QQ. After entering the verification code, the system will ask you to fill in basic information like a username and profile picture. Remember to comply with Douyin's terms of use and avoid entering sensitive information. If you encounter any problems, such as account verification issues, contact Douyin customer service for help. After registration is complete, you can select your interest tags. The system will then recommend related content, helping you quickly find videos on topics you like. Those are the 5 expert techniques for modifying your location to download mainland China's Douyin. We highly recommend using locachange for location spoofing. There are even more features waiting for you to explore. If you also want to break free from the constraints of your phone's location, don't forget to click the link below to try locachange for free. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Any questions? Visit our official site or drop them in the comments. See you next time.